This Barricade Cargo Liner in black is for those of you that have a 2011 and up JK. This will fit in your 4-door JK or in your 2-door if you have those rear seats removed. And this is going to be there to help protect that rear cargo area from throwing a bunch of stuff in there that can otherwise ruin the carpeting in that cargo area. This is going to have a lip all the way around the outside, so it's going to trap any dirt and even a wet mess, melting snow, whatever it might be on the mat. Then you can easily remove the mat, hose it out, throw it right back in, and it's a lot easier to clean than that carpet is. This is gonna be a 1 out of 3 wrench install, very simple. Might take you a couple minutes if you have a subwoofer in the back of your Jeep because you will have to do a little bit of trimming, but we'll talk more about that in just a second. Now, whether you're using this as a standalone cargo liner or as part of a full kit of Barricade Cargo Liners on the interior of your JK, it's definitely going to change up the look of the Jeep and definitely offer you some really nice protection. Now, there are going to be cargo liners kind of all over the price range when it comes to protection for that rear cargo area of your Jeep. Some of the premium, most expensive ones might be a little bit of a thicker material. They might be molded a little bit more specifically to the interior of the Jeep. However, this one's gonna save you a couple of dollars over those top priced options, and it's still absolutely going to work and protect that cargo area. This cargo mat is made of a thermoplastic material. As you can see, it has these chevrons molded into it, which is going to help with grip, so when you throw something in, it's not going to slide around quite as much, and also help to grab onto and trap any messes on here rather than having them run across the mat and spill over the sides. This does have some molded sides on it, as I mentioned before. That's going to help to keep even wet messes in the mat, even if you have some melting snow on there. Definitely going to help out with that. We mentioned before, this fits in your 4-door JK, also your 2-door without rear seats, and it's with or without the subwoofer because this section right here can be trimmed out if you have that sub. So for the install, definitely a 1 out of 3 wrench installation. If you have a 4-door JK without a sub, you literally just throw this in the back of the Jeep. If you have a 2-door without a sub, you'll have to remove your rear seats first, but then this will pop right in place. And if you do have a sub in either your 2 or your 4-door, it doesn't take too much longer to make a little bit of a cut here. You can do it with a very sharp utility knife, a set of scissors, tin snips, whatever you choose to use. It has a cut line on it. You'll make your cut there, and then this will fit tightly around that sub. This cargo liner from Barricade is gonna run you right around $70. And like I said before, there are gonna be some that are a little bit more expensive, have some additional features. But for what you're getting here, I do think $70 is a very fair price. So if you're looking for a quality rear cargo liner for your JK, I definitely recommend this option from Barricade, and you can find it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.